Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I'm excited to be here to share with you my next mini album, Class to Go. This one is a clipboard mini album. This is a mini clipboard that I actually picked up. A local scrapbook store was closing out, and they use these to display some of their projects, and I got a steal of a deal on them, so I bought lots of them. The theme of the album is kind of a love-themed album with Valentine's Day coming up. However, I did not want to make it a Valentine's Day mini album. So I did choose to do a love theme. So it's 10 things I love, and you could always switch it up just a little bit and do 10 things I love about you if you wanted to gift it to somebody. I thought that would be fun, but let's do a quick little flip through and then I'll share the details. Super fun little album using some new product from the January to April mini catalog. So super cute. Look at all that chunk, and when you add in your photos, it's going to make it even chunkier, which I love chunky little mini albums. All right, so the class is available to go. If you are local to me, so in the Sherwood Park or Edmonton area, and you want to pick up your kit, the class is $48. I'll go through what it includes. If you need it shipped, I can ship anywhere in Canada for $20. Unfortunately, I can't send it letter mail. It has to be shipped in a flat rate box because of the dimension on the clipboards. So, however, if you watch till the end, I've got a couple other kits that I've recently released that if you wanted to combine shipping, you could do that and save a little bit of money. All right, so what you will get half a package of the Country Floral Lane DSP. Let's slide these out of the way so that you can see the patterns. So there is a punch that coordinates with this. I don't have the punch, so I just fussy cut my hearts and my leaves from this pattern. So these are the patterns, and then we'll flip it over, and some smaller patterns, which I think some of them can be used any time of the year, so not necessarily just for Valentine's Day or loved themed projects. You'll also get this combo ribbon combo. You'll get a package of the pastel adhesive backed sequins. You'll get all the pre-cut supplies that you'll need. You will need to cut your DSP, and I will have a PDF tutorial. I'll do a little video with sharing some tips and tricks and how to cover the clipboard, but there won't be a step-by-step video tutorial on how to create the pages, but I will have photos and some of the things that you need to know for each layout. And then of course your clipboard. Now, these kits are limited because I only have a certain number of clipboards. However, I did find these clipboards on Amazon, and I will link them below. So if I run out and you still want a kit, that option is still available. I'm charging next to nothing for these clipboards because I got them for next to nothing. So the class fee will not be reduced a ton if I run out of clipboards. Like I said, I will link them to Amazon, but they're $15 Canadian. I think 14 something on Amazon Canadian. So, I mean, if you can grab a kit while they last, it's a steal of a deal. All right, so the only additional supplies that you'll need, I did very little stamping. I tried to really use die cut pieces, punched pieces, and very little stamping. However, I did use the Alpha Best bundle just to stamp the Things I, and then I used Mossy Meadow ink, and then I did sponge around the edges on everything with Tuxedo Black ink. Okay, so those are the only supplies that you'll need at home. All right, so registration will be open for a limited time, actually just until my kits sell out. And I'll post a link to where you can find all the information in the description below. Now I have two other kits that I've recently released that if you want to combine, if you're paying for postage or if you're coming to pick something up and you want a kit, then you can do that and save yourself a trip. So I've got my loved themed kit, which I didn't bring these samples to show you, but it includes a Valentine's card, it includes a little banner, and it includes a little wood piece with a little stand, which is perfect for tiered tray or just some sort of Valentine decor. And I will link to where you can see a picture of that in the description below. So that kit is $25. I have 4 of those left. And then the next kit is a kit that I did at my recent one-day crop. So it comes with the stand, and it's this fun little project. I shared a peek at it, a picture of it. It was such a fun project. This, again, could be used on a tiered tray, but it's a great little home decor piece. So I have 2 of these kits left. Now, if there is demand, I'm willing to cut more of those. That's not a problem. These kits are $15. And like I said, I can fit all 3 of these kits in one package if you need it mailed, and that would be an extra $20 for shipping, okay? Or you can pick up all 3 at the same time if you're picking them up from me. All right, so I hope you guys are as excited as I am about this upcoming class to go. Again, you'll find a link to all the information in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.